How to draw anime hairstyles. For such hairstyles, the most important thing is the silhouette, like the outline of the bangs on the face. Add volume and indicate the direction of the strands which converge at one point and emphasize the shape of the head. And now, the most important thing is the overall silhouette, the outline of which influences everything. The gathered ponytail initially points upward, then its density slightly decreases as the strands widen, and under their own weight, they fall downward, gathering at one point after becoming slightly static. Drawing is very easy, right? You can lightly erase and then start shading strictly according to the planned direction, leaving lighter areas on the top parts of the ponytails, bangs, and head. You can finish at this point, or you can add realism by drawing individual strands of hair that have separated from the overall shape. If that's still not enough, then add contrast and use individual dark lines to separate the strands. For the second hairstyle, start by drawing the bangs as well. But first, find the location of the parting where you'll begin. It's important not to rush, and to constantly keep in mind the entire path that each hair takes from the root to the tip. Therefore, help yourself by marking its path with thin lines at small intervals from each other. After drawing the rest of the hair, you can proceed to shading. Shade strictly in the direction of the hair. This way, even if you incorrectly darken the light and dark areas, the hair will still look like hair. And of course, add individual strands of hair that have separated. This time, make them as elongated as the main strands. Add a bit of contrast, and you're done. The third hairstyle is a bit more complex, so I start with the strands that all the others follow. Gradually build up the volume, paying attention to the beginning and end of the strands, and focus on achieving a beautiful silhouette. If you feel that some elements look off or are out of place, it's best to listen to that intuition and make corrections. Such feelings are never wrong, so don't be lazy. You can start fighting laziness with small steps, like pressing the like button or sharing the video. If you want to take bolder steps, you can leave a comment or subscribe to my channel. Once you've finished with the general shapes, you can mark the direction of the hair for shading. However, approach this step thoughtfully to ensure the hairstyle looks organic. If you're satisfied with the sketch, you can move on to the next stage. Shade the hair along the marked path and add individual strands outside the main shape. If the strands stand out too much from the main shape, then you should darken both the individual hairs and the edges of the hairstyle with the same tone.